All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our AI Learning Agent project. And this is one of the last things I was working on before we actually went over our quota with our agent. This wasn't even done with our final form agent. This is done with one of the earlier renditions. As you can see here, I was in the process of automating an ordering process from a fast food chain. And I actually had 4 different versions of the code here. As you can see, they all came out different. And they all worked in their own right. The only difference is that all 4 of them I couldn't access the microphone to actually place the order. For some reason, I don't know why I wasn't reading my microphone, even though we know the microphone works because I'm making this video using the microphone. So yeah, I actually came up with 4 different versions. I'll pan over all 4 of them as you can see, and I'll actually run the last one because that one came out I guess it came out the best, version 3 there, or the 4th version. Let me pan over the second one here, or the third one, and show you. But yeah, all of them came out good. Like I said, I had my agent build these. This wasn't even one of the final form agents that built this. This is one of the earlier versions, and they all came out good. They all came out workable. It went through the process of creating the entire code of ordering from a fast food chain, and everything went through smooth. The only issue I was having was that I couldn't actually use the microphone to place the order. So the last one here was actually telling me to actually put the input in or put the order in manually. So I'm going to run that for you and show you what it looks like. So let's get down. Like you said, some of them came out with the prices with the menus. Some of them came out with the menus, just the menu items. Like I said, I got 4 different versions of them, and of course, there's going to be 4 different takes on it. But this last one here came out the best, the closest. And again, it's not using the microphone either, but it came out the closest to an actual ordering process if you wanted to order food from a fast food chain. So here to get it ran and see exactly what happens when we run it. And we can go through the entire process now. And of course, it's going to stutter step because I'm using the microphone and I'm making a video while trying to actually run this program. So let's see how long it actually takes. So maybe I should have started running it before I actually started the video so I can show you the run process. Now let's look at the code while we're waiting for that to fire up. So you can see here, this is the entire code to put together. Again, the agent put all 4 of these together itself. I didn't build any of these codes. The agent did all of them. It worked out everything the way it's supposed to be worked out. The issue was on the technical side. Like I said, it wasn't reading the microphone. But I don't know why it wasn't reading the microphone when I'm using the microphone to actually create the video that we're watching right now. Like, I don't know. Maybe the file is too much to play and run at the same time. I'm gonna try to push it again and see what happens. Yeah, it's not picking up at all. See, I'm not gonna try to make this video longer than it has to be. Like, those are the 4 codes. I'll pan over this last one slowly again. If you want, you can actually take this code down again. These codes aren't anything in particular, so I don't mind you actually seeing the entire code. If you want to try to recreate it yourself and run it and see exactly what it looks like and sounds like when you run it, you can more than welcome to. I'll pan over the entire thing so you can get this entire code here. If you want to see what the process looks like, if you wanted to automate an ordering process from a fast food chain. So that's that there, and that's what it looks like. Yep, so that's one of the last projects I was working on with my agent. Like, again, this is one of the earlier renditions of the agent. This wasn't the final form or the perfect agent that put this together. So I could just imagine what that agent would have put together for me. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick heads up. But later on, I am going to go over that process of going over the explanation of the differences between ChatGPT and the AI learning agents, like I disclosed to you yesterday. So yeah, that'll be the last probably video I do on the learning agents before we move on to our crypto project and our Unreal Engine project. But of course, I will keep you. Hold on, look, it's firing up now. I know it's still going to take longer than I want it to take, so I might still end the video here. Let's see. Yeah, it's still taking too long, but of course, yeah, I will keep you posted every step of the way. And for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.